Hi, my name is Amber Sanglier from Microsoft. I'm going to discuss with you today the concept of utilizing the Dynamics XRM platform to support the multitude of ever-changing business workload needs of different teams within your hospital. Now, some hospitals find themselves in a situation of having numerous independent and sometimes disconnected software applications that various teams have acquired over the years to address specific needs. However, today, hospitals are moving more to the use of a singular application platform that allows them to rapidly deliver workload solutions that are interconnected and consistent in user experience. An easy integration with other systems, such as Epic, allow for a holistic approach to addressing business needs with a single platform. Now, hospitals might have business activities such as managing patient and physician relationships and engagements, care coordination, and more. And as the needs of your patients grow, so will the requests for more efficient processes and software to address those needs. Unfortunately, sometimes business groups need to move just a little bit faster than their IT group, resulting in shadow applications that are sometimes siloed and disconnected from the rest of the IT infrastructure. And this scenario only gets compounded by the reality that in most hospitals, there are tens or even hundreds of different stakeholders, each with their own wants and needs, soliciting and deploying their own solutions. Unfortunately, the cycle of I have a need, I ask IT, and if IT cannot deliver, I go get it on my own, becomes a very slippery slope as hundreds of apps pop up throughout your hospital in a non-connected fashion. This then sometimes translates into an inability to share data and information across your groups. And if each division kept their own information on a patient, that patient experience can become very disconnected. Historically, when a solution was needed by a stakeholder, there were really two primary options. You build it or you buy it. And there are considerable pros and cons to each approach. The concept of the xRM application platform introduces a third option, allowing you to add and configure new apps as you need them and on an established platform. And at the highest level, this provides a quicker time to value at a lower cost of ownership. You can think of this platform as a plug-and-play system that allows you to have a foundation base already established to plug in your own developed apps or potentially replace legacy apps or leverage apps created by an external partner. There are no limitations to the number of apps you can add. So as your business expands, so can the functionality of the system. This means if the chief medical officer or director of nursing or business development thinks of a new process or way they want to do business, so for example, they want an automatic text notification when the status of a particular patient changes, an app can be created on the xRM platform to address this need. No additional investment is needed for the platform, and it will leverage data already captured in the system about the patient, and it will easily tie in with other systems such as Epic. So in a nutshell, the xRM application platform gives you the beneficial features of a relationship management system out of the box with the flexibility to add additional applications as needed by your hospital. And this extends well beyond customer-centric business functions, allowing you to build line of business and workload-specific applications to manage just about anything, utilizing the same technology. This means one consistent platform to rapidly deploy and manage apps that enable a streamlined user experience. You could have the ability to track when a patient first calls to schedule an appointment and even who referred them, to when they're actually seen by a doctor, to following up with them on medication reminders or system-generated appointment reminders, to future visits and even customer service issues. you could have a complete 360-degree view into their profile. And here are just a few examples of what we've seen in the healthcare industry. But the great thing about xRM is if you can dream up a new process or concept, etc., it can be plugged into the system. It's based on Microsoft.NET, so one of the most popular technical languages in the world. But even if you don't have a technical background, the platform still has elements such as dashboards and process flows that are easily configurable by you to meet your needs. I hope you found this presentation helpful in understanding the possibilities around what a Microsoft Dynamics XRM platform could do for you and your hospital. If you'd like a deeper dive and longer discussion, please reach out to Jeff Hall at jeffhall@microsoft.com. Thank you. Bye-bye.